Hi. Will a orange sink or float? Let's take an orange, drop it in the water. The orange floats. However, if you take a peeled orange and put it in the water, the orange sinks. Now, why is that? It's because when the peeling is on, this peeling contains air pockets. So it's kind of like a life vest for the orange. And when you remove that, the air pockets no longer exist and the orange sinks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.